Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to create a terrain. So today we are going to sculpt a terrain in this tutorial, and in the upcoming videos I will show you how to paint a terrain and how to add grass, trees and river, etc. So first of all, you have to go to the create option. Here you can see 3D objects. Inside this there is an option called terrain. Just click on it and you can see we have our terrain. Now if you click on the terrain and come to the inspector part, you can see there are several options here. The first one with a paintbrush in it has several different options for painting textures. If you click on it, you can create neighbor terrains, you can raise or lower the terrain, you can set height, smooth height or stamp terrain. Again there is a tree option, paint tree option. Inside this, if you have some trees, you can add it through here. There is an option for adding the foliage. Using this, you can select the foliage, use the patterns and just paint it. And then there is the terrain settings. Here you can set different settings for your terrain. For this video, we are going to leave it as default and we'll move to sculpting the terrain. So first of all, we are going to this option, raise or lower terrain. So here you can see there are several options from which we can select how we want to raise our terrain. So I am going to select the second option. I am going to increase the brush size and decreasing the opacity. So opacity will decide the intensity by which the terrain will be raised or lowered. So if you click the left mouse button anywhere in the terrain by selecting this, you can see we are able to raise the terrain at different places. So I will quickly add some detailing to our terrain like this. Now you can create some other options like this and we can add some here, this kind of details. Again decrease the opacity. In similar way, there are several options in which you can sculpt it. Just you have to select it and look what works for you. Okay, so we can see there are some sharp edges. We'll go to raise or lower terrain and we'll click on smooth height. This smooth height will smooth it. You have to increase the opacity and you can see all the sharp edges are now smoothened. So I will select this option and increase the opacity and we can quickly make some quickly create some mountain like structure as you can see here. So it's quite easy. Within 5 minutes we have sculpted our terrain. In the next video I will show you how to add textures to the terrain, how to paint the textures and how to add trees, grass and rivers to make it realistic. We will also see how to add post-processing stack to make it look more realistic. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.